Welcome learners for the lecture 15 of a linear algebra. Today we discuss about the some important theorem. They will be considering to the linear transformation as well as concept will be clearing about the matrices. Okay, let us go started for the separating of the transformation of this value will be generated. Okay, let us go started to the form. Previous lecture we also discussing about the some important theorem. Okay, this is also important theorem. Same as a technique will be uses for solving this example. Okay, let V and W be the vector spaces. Let T is generated as a two part of the form. U1, U2 is an elements of a LV. Then considering as a four part will be defining T U1 plus U2 equals to consider U1 plus U2. And same as a part U1 plus U2 is considered as a form of a T, means the position of the first part and second part will be changes there, result will be given as the same. Next is the Tu1 into U2 is generated to the form equal to the form Ti equals to I, T equals to considering as a T for the matrix position of the general form. Okay, a u1 u2 equals to a u1 u2 equals to, you consider as a alpha, first part will be uses as a u1, second part be uses as a u2 for all scalar of a. This is the most easy part will be generated to the position. A more general result hold to the linear transformation, they have contained as a domain in equal to the their coordinate of the system. They generating to the first part, that is let T consider v2w and T consider w2z be the linear transformation, and first part will be considered a equals to u to the power beta gamma, same as a b equals to t to the power alpha, and beta will be generated where alpha equals to u v1 v2 to vn, beta equals to w1 w2 to dn, and gamma equals to w1 w2 to wn. For the capital and small letter of a wr, order will be given to the value of a vw and z will be generated. Okay, this gamma will be considering as a z. This is mistake will be generated respectively. We would like to define the product of a AB of a two matrices, so that AB equals to considering U2 alpha 2 gamma will be considered to the part, and a matrix part will be generated 1 to n for the position of this value. Then solving to the condition, that is a U into T Vj equals to U is a common, T considering as a Vj equals to U generated, and you know that TVj considering to the value of summation k equals to 1 to a bkj wk equals to same as a part of this value will be generating. U is contained as a this position of the part, means bkj you considering as a wk. Then same as a part will be considering to the value summation k equals to 1 to m bkj. You know that U, what is meant by U, is generated to the value uwk will be generating to the value wk is common, and u considering as a summation k equals to 1 to a bkj. Okay, same as a both of this part is a common, b is considering as a value that will be generated, summation consider I equals to 1 to m, summation k equals to 1 to m aik bkj zg considering to the value of a zi. Okay, summation I equals to 1 to p, both of this value is generating cij zi will be considering, this is called as a cij, where considering cij equals to summation k equals to 1 to m akj bkj to the value, this value put it to the value cij. Okay, this will be the computations of the matrix multiplication for solving to the equation. Okay, let us go started definition of the another part. We define to the Kronecker delta ij. This delta is considering as a ij to the part is called as a Kronecker delta. By the delta ij equals to 1 if I equals to j and delta ij equals to 0. Both of this condition first of all use as a 1, and second is considering as a 0. If I equals to 1 will be considering to the value, then delta ij equals to 1, and delta ij equals to 0 for I is not equals to j. Then considering as a n into n identity matrix in generated to the value defining to the part in ij equals to delta is considering as a ij. Thus for the example will be given to the value I1 equals to 1 and I2 equals to 1 0. 0 1 and I3 equals to 1 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 1. This is called as the identity, general form of a identity matrix. Okay, then the next theorem provide to the value of a, c and d has its along analog to the observed to the part of the considering to the theorem of this value, m considering as a n into n matrix for the clear of their notation. Okay, let AB and M into N matrix, B and C be the consider as a N into P matrix, and D considering as a E by the Q into M matrix to generate it to the value A B plus C equals to A into B plus A into C will be generated to the form, and D plus E considering as a D into A plus A into E form of this value, and second is considering as a equals to AB. This value will be generated for any scalar value of a m, and third will be consider I m a equals to a equals to I a n. If V is a vectors in the dimensional vector space with the order basis consider as a beta, for this value will be generated. Okay, same proof will be used as a Kronecker delta will be using. We prove first of all A and C and leave considering to the value of this proof of this. Okay, we have A, B plus C, Ij equals to generated to the value. Put up all k equals to 1 to m, a I k b plus c kj equals to considering to the value, that is the summation k equals to 1 to n a I k b I k plus c I k will be generated to the value for k equals to 1 to n, sometime k equals to 1 to n. Okay, summation considering as a k equals to 1 to n a I k into b I k plus a I k into c I k. Don't you know that to the value expanding to the form of this value, both of will be generated at the same condition. Summation k equals to 1 to n a I k into b I k plus summation considering as a k equals to 1 n a I k plus c I k will be generated to the value. Then put up to the value a b I j plus a c I j equals to a b plus a c I j will be common in both of these condition. Okay, so we get it to the form of this equation, that is a considering b plus c equals to ab plus ac will be generated. This is the first part. After that, part c, we considering to the value, we have I m a I j equals to summation consider k equals to 1 to n I m a I k into I k will be generated equals to, you know that this value will be generated as a delta I k, a I j will be considering in the common position equals to changes as a part of value a I j. Then after that, corollary will be using to this part a b and m into n matrix b1 b2 bk be the n into p matrix c1 c2 ck is considering as a q into m matrix. Then a1 a2 ak be the scalar, then consider to the value a is a common summation considering as a I equals to 1 to k ai bi equals to summation considering as a I equals to 1 to k AI A into BI will be generating to the value. Consider to the form summation I equals to 1 to K AI, they considering as a CI into A equals to generated to the value summation I equals to 1 to K AI CI into A is a multiply of this form for corollary given to the value. Okay, let us go next theorem. Let A be the m into n matrix and B will be considered as a n into x be the matrix I to j to p will be considered. Let uj and vj denote to the jth column of a b and b respectively, then generating to the value uj equals to a vj and uj equals to b ej, where ej is considering as a jth standard vector of the function of the p. Okay, let us go first. We considering to the part, we have ui equals to ab first value of a n generated to the changing out to the part 1 to m will be considering, same as their position will be considering as a part of the basis they generated to the value. Hence we generating to the part, that is the summation k equals to 1 to n a considering as a 1k, b considering to the value of a kj. B is a common in this part, and a1 1k, a 2k, a mk, both of this value will be generated. Then a is a common to this part and generated to the all this position, it is called as a b1j, b2j, b nj equals to a vj will be generated. Same, Hence equation first will be proof of this value, and equation B is the same condition will be used. B is a common, same as A is a common, same step to apply to the form and solve to